Let me ask you a simple question. What is your bliss level on a scale of 0 to 10? And if you have to draw a graph of your happiness from when you were 4 years old to now, is your graph going up or is it on decline? Unfortunately, my friends, most of us see a decline in our happiness as we get older. And what is causing you to not be fully blissful in this moment? You might think it's your circumstances, it's your relationship, maybe the lack of money, too many responsibilities, or some unfulfilled desire. What is that reason for you that is preventing you from feeling this unconditional bliss within you? Remember when you were a kid, you could find joy in just about anything. And now even if somebody tries to tickle you to make you laugh, it's more likely going to annoy you. So what happened? What has changed? What if I tell you that your circumstances, your lack of money, your relationship, or anything in your life has nothing to do with your bliss level? What if I told you that this is your habit called your emotional pattern? What is your emotional pattern? It's the way you have conditioned yourself to feel in this moment. And if you are used to feeling sad about your life, if you're used to feeling that you're not enough, if you're used to feeling helpless, then you could have perfect relationship, perfect health, abundance of money, and you would still find a way to feel helpless, feel sad, to match your emotional pattern. Today, we bring you 9-day Breathwork Challenge for unconditional bliss. And through our Breathwork Challenge, once we recognize your emotional pattern, we're going to go into ancient breathing techniques to bring out the blissful nature, the childlike nature within you. Because, my friends, each moment not lived blissfully is a moment lost. I want you to really think about the moments in your life when you were truly blissful. And later in this course, we'll start to work on your belief systems, the most important part, and then change these beliefs to more empowering beliefs so we can turn the challenges into opportunities. So please join us on our 9-day Breathwork Challenge and take the first step to tap into your unconditional happiness. We'll see you in the course.